Hey everyone, today we're talking about mochi. It's a yummy, chewy rice cake from Japan. It's like a special treat for celebrations. Mochi has been around for a super long time, like hundreds of years. People in Japan usually eat mochi during New Year's. It's like a tradition and it's still going strong today. Mochi is a big deal in Japan. It means good luck and happy times. Making mochi doesn't need a lot of stuff. The most important thing is special rice flour. It's called mochi gome, and it's super sticky. This sticky rice makes the mochi chewy. You also need water and sugar. Sometimes people add extra flavors like green tea powder or sweet red bean paste. These simple ingredients make mochi naturally yummy. Making mochi the old-fashioned way is like a party. People use a big wooden hammer and bowl to pound steamed rice into a paste. It's called mochitsuki. But guess what? Now you can use a machine. Or you can even buy ready-made mochi flour. That makes it super easy. There are so many different kinds of mochi. One kind is called daifuku. It's a round mochi with sweet bean paste inside. Another kind is sakura mochi. It has red bean paste and a special leaf wrapped around it. You can even put ice cream inside mochi. There are so many ways to enjoy mochi. It's chewy, it's fun, and there's a flavor for everyone.